Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
When it comes to architecture in traditional Hakka communities, religion, and the concept of feng shui, which literally means wind and water, play important roles. Feng shui dictates the location of the building and the start of construction. Houses usually include a main altar used for worshiping gods and remembering ancestors. Underneath the altar, a shrine is set to give thanks to the earth god for blessing the family with a place to live.
Hello, everyone. It's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. This month, again, talking about living, the Hakka culture. And you know what? Again, because I just moved into a new house, I like to talk about this. And this is very well known in the Western culture too. That's 风水。你知道吗？风水这5年、10年来啊，其实在西方的国家呢，也越来越重视了。
真的啊？
对，他们也觉得风水有它的道理在。其实客家人一定也是对风水也是会
当然
很有研究啦，对不对？当
然咯。
国外你就讲风水，他就知道了，你知道吗？对啊。那客语呢？
叫风水。
Oh, that's how you say 风水。
那我们也可以讲，再加2个字，就叫梯里风水。
梯里风水，地理风水是这样子的意思吗？ Okay, because a lot of times 风水 is based on geographical aspects of how the house is set up. So 地理 that's geography, and that's how they describe this whole process. 其实讲到风水，最常常会碰到的就是要选良辰吉日嘛。
对不
对？When moving into a new house, one of the most important things about 风水 is the timing when you move in. 到底什么时候才搬进去？这个大家都会很 care 啊。
对啊，这个很重要，很重要。
我不 care， 但我旁边的朋友都好 care。
对啊，而且这不单是搬家啊，连你在盖房子 heat 的时候就已经很注重这个时间了。
So they even apply this before they build the house. They even have to select the right date and time to start the construction of the house too. 连这个动工呢都要看这个良辰吉日，对不对？这客语怎么说？
良辰吉日，
良辰吉日。就良辰吉日了，对不对？
吉日。
Okay, again, that term describes the right timing of when you can do something, or in this case, move into a new house. All right, let's review these terms. 地理风水, that's geography, and 风水.
风水, 梯里风水.
风水 or 梯里风水. And then finally, selecting a right time. 良辰吉日.
良辰吉日.
良辰吉日. Let's hope all this feng shui and all this luck will come to you if you follow these rules. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.